comfort. What are you doing? Hey. Hey, what'd you think? What'd you think? You like it? Don't go too far. You still need lots of protection. What's that? You find a feather? So many new smells. Hey, what do you think? You'd like this? You like this out here? Yes, you do. You're like, put me down. I want to explore more. I want to explore more. Turn this way. Testing out the grass. It's good stuff. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't think you should eat that. I don't think you should eat that. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. What you doing? Hello. What you doing? Say hi. Oh. So I want to get down and explore. Hi. The cutest little thing ever. Okay. Explore, but stay close by. Oh. You cute.